Gang. Dan Mafia. You see what we are doing today, man. We're back in reaction. Both. Yeah, man, gang. Today we got them. You don't know. Mr. Vanilla Card himself, man. One of our favorite artists react to. Mr. Blue Note. Dora. You don't know. You don't know what I do with dog. You see me, one of the best artists of last year. One of the biggest hit V6. You don't know. But they have Malie, man. Malie is back at it. You see me and dog kick off a new year with a new tune and a new video. The one entitled 11:59 that he dropped exactly at 11:59. You see me, December 31st, 2023, right before it turns New Year. You see me, drop a new track. 11:59. I go check it out and see what dog I do it. But no, Malie most likely is a girl tune, or a bad man tune, or a chopper tune, or all three in one. Cause Malie is very good at that. You see me, I say. So I'm not gonna look before as much. I'm gonna check it out right now. This is Malie done. 11:59 gang, let's get it.
Yo, fresh. It's a new year. New meditation.
So I'm talking about? It's a new year. Dog I drop it for the new year. Dog I try to keep off a year right. You see what I say? New meditation.
New endeavors.
Alright.
I said, powers go.
New year, new endeavors. Yeah man, facts that Mafia. Yeah man. We are turn up for the new year. You see me? Make sure say this year we make it to the best year. We are shoot for all our dreams and our goals and we not worry. You see me? Last year we did great, gang. You see me? So this year we're going to do even better, man. You see me? We're growing and stopping. We're making bangers, straight hits, straight viral videos over here. So you see me, gang? Yeah, man. So join the journey. Make sure them dreams come true this year. And chase on a dream, whatever it is, gang.
Yeah, man. I'll fall like 9/11 when the towers go.
I'll fall like 9/11 like the towers. But that now happen. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Got the power side. Got the power side. And now see that shame bad man.
Yeah.
We elevate all when them a fight. Live to see a new year, thank God me alive.
Facts. Yeah man, give it up one time for God, bro. You see me? We see, yo, we live to see a new year, man. We have to thank God we're alive for real, man. Give our praise and glory to God, man. You see me? Yeah, man.
Sweat, tears, blood, enough sacrifice. Yeah. Work hard and work smart, live happy alive. So
yeah man, enough blood, tears and sacrifice, work hard for live. Hey, come on, bro. Come on, work hard and smart for live happy in a life, man. Come on.
Enough sacrifice, work hard and work smart, live happy in a life. So put your hand in the air.
Yeah.
Black for your eyes, fireworks them a wait. 11:59.
Hands in the air. I want to. Hey, me like the one, Malie. Come in.
Yeah. Black for your eyes, fireworks them a wait. 11:59. Tell my killers a be set for bill with the crime. R.I.P. to my dogs.
Man say yo killers, yo clappers my way for 11:59. Tell my dogs my beer. Be easy with the crime. You see me? Link up the killer them a more beer man and making that kill them know say no to yo things me know things set you see me. But I hold long the crime I go easy cause I try for better. I try a new leaf this year. You see me? Yeah man.
And the sky, long as my family and my dogs them alright.
Yeah.
New gear, my fly past them alright.
Yeah. Facts. As long as my family, the dogs them alright. New year, new gear, I fly past them.
But just drop a pins and a buy. New vision on the lens are so bright.
Yeah.
Everybody have them shiny, it all depends on the time. A new year, some little boy fi change.
New vision on the lens are so bright. Come on.
Them appetite, enough of them a do the wrong and I pretend that is right.
Yeah.
Keep going forward and I defend what is mine.
Yeah.
That's
a fact. Enough of them a do wrong and I go like say right, man. You just move forward, one foot in front of the other, just defend one mine. You see me? When I go and do me see the follow you no invest. Me not involve myself. Me just do me. You see me? I say go on, man. We not going like say no righteous and not do all of the good. You know? No right. Just go on, man. God on time, man.
In the room, she naked alright. One thing in her life, no play with that time.
Yeah.
Take what is mine.
That's facts, bro. Yeah, man. This message to everybody. One thing in your life, don't play with that time, bro. Go and get what is yours right now. If you're part of the Mafia, if you watch my videos, you see me, if you like and subscribe, man, I tell you, as a young, you go for where you want right now. No wait upon nobody. Not family, not friends, nobody. Go and get what is yours right now. Guys, when you got you with family and friends sometime, I see them when I go turn them back on you. You see me? I've been through before, so me talk for experience. So go and get yours right now. You see me? It all depends on your life. And you see me, so it depends on you or you live it. Don't live it for nobody else. You see me? Because in them same people that live it for them and they turn them back on you, brother. In your words is tears. You see me? Yeah, man. So just do your thing, go for your thing right now. You see me? Because you're all in life and nobody not going to respect you and rate you. They want to look down on you. You go through your thing. You see me I say? Yeah, man, so go for your thing, bro, and watch your body, bro, no cause people, at the end of the day, they know, you see me, they act like say, yo, them care, they don't really care, bro. You see me, trust me, been through it myself.
We elevate all when them a fight, live we see a new year, thank God me alive. Sweat, tears, blood, no sacrifice, work hard and work smart, live happy alive. Yeah, in the year, every black for your rise, fireworks, them a
yeah, man, easy now, man, big up yourself, Malie.
wait, 11:59, then my killers are beer, set for bill with the crime, R.I.P. to my dogs, them when they in the sky.
Yeah, man, swallow fallen soldier, them big up on yourself, man, big up on yourself, big up on yourself.
Now fi rich, now forget. Want live some life, me never live yet. Get all you to a house.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna get that money, make sure you get that money when you're young and stack up. You see me, think me happen when you might lose, you have to start over again, but make sure you try and get it early. You see me, cause up here, bro, most people only care about is that money. You see me, I got you a few things, certain family, business, they just want to say, I'm gonna get their money, no care where I got you if I try. You see me? Yeah, man.
Car and land and gal man, birch and bridges. Time fi fly private, me want see jets. Do what you feel life shorter than me jets.
Yeah.
Me know them want me soul fi rest. That them now go see it, them know we are the illest.
Easy now, man. Now. Yeah, man, they want to see you there, but they not go see that, man. You see me, God got you and God. You see me, God bless you. You see me? Yeah. So in the end, we have your last laugh coming.
We elevate all when them a fight, live we see a new year, thank God me
alive. Yeah.
Sweat, tears, blood, no sacrifice, work hard and work smart, live happy alive.
Yeah, man, no blood, tears and sacrifice, work hard and work smart to live a happy life. You see me, I say, yeah, man, you have to work smart, work hard, make sure you're happy. You can't just work hard and dead. You can't just work smart and put in it. You see me? You have to balance it out. You see me, and go for you have to make sure say you have a good life. You see me? Yeah, cause enough people already not enjoy what they work for, and enough people, you see me, they not work hard enough to get the things they want to enjoy. So you have to balance it out. You see me, I say, make sure you go for the dream. You see me, I say, gang, yeah, man, gang. Make sure you say you live, you go for your goals. You see me, and always remember where you work for. Always know that people don't see it, remember where you work for. You see me? Yeah, man. You might go for something different from the norm. And people understand it, but as long as you understand where you work for, just keep focused. Now, watch what people are saying now. People are going to talk. Because even with me do, you know, I like a business and thing, and people don't understand. People are look from one side and I say, yo, wait, now watch what people are saying, because you know where you work on. You see me? So believe in yourself and go focus. That's business that you're working on. It can grow to millions. You see me? Yeah, so don't watch people, because sometimes people don't understand, because you have the vision. You see me, and them have a vision. So they go sit down from one side and look and talk and read. Now watch them. Focus on where you are work on and your goals, and you will achieve it. You see me? Yeah, man.
Rise, fireworks, them a wait, 11:59. Then my killers are beer, set for bill with the crime. R.I.P. to my dogs, them when they in the sky.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I remember saying, don't watch your family member. The goal is not, your job is good now, but that's not the end goal. The end goal is financial freedom. Yes, me, because most people, family want you go there and really your work is good, but I remember, never forget to build your thing. You see me? I remember, you know, a job out there, you know, was somebody dream that they worked on and build up. You see me? So you have to remember, you have to make time for work on your thing and build your thing. Work smart for other people and go work hard for yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. Shout out to Jamaica Shares Gamer. You see? Yeah, man. You have to work smart for people and go hard on your dreams, bro. You see me? You cannot give help on thing that now make time for work on your personal goal, your business, your dream and them thing there. Yeah, man. You have to go hard on them thing there, just like how you would go hard when you're working for somebody and collecting a paycheck. You have to go hard and even harder too. Big up Malie, yeah, easy on that. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Malie. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Malie. And dope track for kick off a year. I like the one, the Malie then. You see me? She say that can always switch it up. You can make the girl tune, the chopper tune, the conscious tune, the feel good tune. You see me? And you can mix them all in one. But that's a nice to go wholesome song, you know, for kick off. Nice go wholesome, ambitious song for kick off a year. Basically, that I say, yo, This year we have to work hard and work smart. We gotta go for our goals, achieve our dreams. Then after the crime thing, you see me, and the negativity, bro. We gotta focus on some positivity, some longevity, some generational thing. You see me, I say we can pass down the man, just basically say come together and do some good things and elevate yourself, basically. You see me, I say so. Big up Malie for the track. They really enjoy the one day. You see me, the one that give me a lot to talk about. You see me, the one that I was rambling on for a little minute, but really enjoy the one day. Malie, big up yourself, bro. Real dope track. Really enjoy the one day. Nice way to kick off here. That my family don't think about the one day. You see me, if you like it, and if you don't like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Drop in the comments in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are. Yeah, man, Malie, one of the best. I ain't gonna say one of the best acts, best artists of 2023. So I'm definitely excited. I'm there with me eyeball. Feel. I look out for see what I deal with in 2024, dog. No joke, Malie. Rate the music, rate the talent, rate the eye. You see me, keep on doing your thing, shoot for stars. You see me, I say gang. Yeah, man, gang. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco out here and I hit and smash up. Banger. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.